In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Smartsheet with ease and efficiency, giving you the tools needed to make the most out of this powerful platform. Whether you're new to Smartsheet or just looking to sharpen your skills, we'll walk through the essential features and help you understand their functions and benefits. Let's kick off our tour with the Home section. Think of this as your personalized dashboard. It provides quick links to your recent items and favorites, giving you convenient access to what you're working on most. Your dashboard is tailored to streamline your workflow, keeping essential resources and your most used documents right at your fingertips. This setup can help you save time and ensure you're always up to speed with your projects. Next up, we have notifications. This is where you can view any pending alerts that notify you of changes or updates. Pay close attention to this section, as these alerts are crucial for keeping you informed about any alterations or actions that require your attention. By fostering a habit of regularly checking your notifications, you'll remain aware of what's happening across your workspaces, helping you stay responsive and engaged. Now, let's move to the Browse feature, which serves as your gateway to exploring all your work within Smartsheet. Here, everything is neatly organized into workspaces, folders, and individual files. This organization structure helps you navigate through your projects effortlessly, ensuring you can locate the documents or sheets you need without unnecessary hassle. The Browse feature serves as the backbone of your organizational efforts, particularly useful for managing multiple projects simultaneously. When you need quick access to frequently used or recent items, the Recents and Favorites section comes in handy. Consider this your personal shortcut hub. By marking certain files as favorites, you can effortlessly retrieve them without having to sift through all your documents. Similarly, the Recents list updates as you work through different items, allowing you to pick up tasks precisely where you left them. Moving forward, you'll encounter Work Apps and the Solution Center, enabling you to either build lightweight apps or create new sheets, reports, forms, and dashboards. This section empowers you to tailor the Smartsheet experience to fit your unique project needs and to innovate without needing extensive technical skills. It's a versatile tool that encourages creative and efficient working methods. If you ever need assistance, the Help feature, denoted by a question mark, is a treasure trove of tooltips, guides, and support options. Whether you're troubleshooting a problem or trying to learn a new feature, this is your go-to resource for guidance and answers. Finally, the Account area is where you manage your personal settings, themes, and preferences. Customizing these settings to reflect your working style can enhance your productivity and overall user experience in Smartsheet. That's the end of our quick tour through the Smartsheet navigation. By familiarizing yourself with these features, you can significantly enhance your productivity and streamline your workflow within Smartsheet. Thanks for joining, and happy Smartsheet navigating!